Now I'm on the next block, but you'll see we have this creek here, Squash Creek. It goes all the way up, so it's going to overflow and fill in all this area. Still see a lot of cars down here and a lot of people that haven't packed up and left yet. This is Elm. It's a scary road. Almost back to civilization. All this will be underwater by tomorrow. The creek runs all the way up, it crosses over Neighborhood Road. So all of this is going to be flooded. Just hope it doesn't get up to our house. Thank goodness we do have flood insurance. And that Squash Creek crosses over Neighborhood right here where that little bridge is that you see. That's the fire department in town. This is our church. And there's my house. Now it's time to head in and unpack all my provisions. Everybody be safe in this storm. It's no joke.